Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Note 18 Ultra, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it. And make sure that you've got the internet connection. So now let's enter the browser. Alright, let me just click everything and... Alright, we've got it. So all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on delete browsing data. Here we can remove some basic browsing history, so visited websites, tabs opened, cookies, cache and other site data. We can change the time range, it's up to you, and then tap on delete data. However, let me go back. However, if you want to... Oh, I forgot that probably it is updating right now. Alright, let me tap on it again. Here we've got it. So that was the basic option to remove the browsing history. However, if you'd like to remove some advanced browsing data, simply tap on more options, and here we've got them. So we can also remove tabs, saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. So just make sure that the thing you want to remove is marked. We can also change the time range here, so I'll choose all time and then tap on delete data. And we just got back, which means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.